The sun shone bright, a perfect day for baseball fun. Hooray, hooray! Take me out to the ball game, called out Leo with a grin. It's time for the game to begin. Through giant gates they stepped inside, where happy fans stretched far and wide. Take me out with the crowd! The cheers grew loud, a joyful sound as people gathered all around. They found their seats just right for two, and then they knew what they must do. Buy me some peanuts and Cracker Jack. The treats were sweet, the crunch was grand, the best snacks in the whole wide land. The game began, a thrilling sight, each pitch, each swing, with all their might. I don't care if I never get back. Leo watched with eyes so wide, lost in the game, with joy inside. The home team played with all their heart, and Maya cheered right from the start. Let me root, root, root for the home team. She clapped and sang with all her might, cheering on her team with delight. Sometimes the game was tough and slow, with worries about how it would go. If they don't win, it's a shame. A little sigh, a hopeful glance, still waiting for their winning chance. Then came a moment, quick and fast. A swing, a miss, the chance had passed. For it's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out. Leo saw it, clear and true, a part of baseball through and through. But win or lose, the fun was clear, with every cheer and every cheer. At the old ball game, high fives shared, a happy sound, the best day ever, all around. The innings passed, the sun went down, the brightest lights in all the town. Take me out to the ball game, take me out with the crowd. They settled in, still full of glee, enjoying every moment wild and free. With empty bags and happy hearts, they knew they'd played their cheering parts. A perfect day from start to end with baseball, snacks, and a good friend.
1, 2, 3.